This is how you keep a baby busy for a few minutes. Put socks on her hands. See what happens. Hi. Can you get your socks off your hands? What's wrong with your hands, McKenna? McKenna, what's wrong with your hands? What you got on your hands, McKenna? Uh-oh. Okay, I'll help you.